We tried the latest viral recipe online, the pizza babka, and it was amazing. Get ready to screen grab the ingredients right now. Your first step is to take a piece of parchment paper and spread out your pizza dough. Then begin with a layer of pepperoni and then layer down your mozzarella and provolone cheeses. Sprinkle a little bit of dried oregano and then season with salt and pepper. The next step is to fold it into the shape that you're going to bake it in. This is really easy to do if you use that parchment paper because you can just fold the paper in half and then press together the pizza dough with your fingers. Then slice it vertically right down the center. You can also roll your dough and then slice it into 2 pieces. And now you just want to twist the 2 pieces together with the stuffing inside. And honestly, it can't look any worse than the one that I did here. So don't worry about it looking beautiful. Just keep stuffing the ingredients back in any way that you can. Once you have a good twist shape going, you're going to grab a loaf pan and line that with another piece of parchment paper. Stuff it inside and get it all cozy in there with the parchment paper. And your next step is going to be to bread proof it. Now, a lot of your ovens have a bread proof setting, you just haven't used it before. If you have questions, we did a whole blog post with this recipe and bread proofing. Here's us showing the melted butter and the seasoning, and we're getting ready to take that butter and baptize this loaf once it's done bread proofing. So smear that butter everywhere that you can, that it can reach, and then pour over any extra that you have. Sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese and then bake at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes. Be sure to let it cool before you go to slice it, and then when you slice it, oh my word, I wish you could smell this video. It's such a great recipe. It's definitely one of our new favorites. Serve up a slice with some marinara sauce or some seasoned olive oil. This recipe could easily be made in an air fryer or a toaster oven. Be sure to find Village Home Stores online, and if you make this, do tag us.